Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to AFK in Grow a Garden on Roblox Beginner's Guide. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, search for Grow a Garden Roblox tips and tricks and open a trusted website with beginner guides. After that, launch Roblox and open the Grow a Garden game. Then start by planting carrot seeds from the seed shop and sell them to earn some cash. After that, stay AFK near the seed shop and wait for the stock to refresh every 5 minutes. When you hear the ding sound, check the shop for rare seeds. Then organize your land by stacking small crops together and keeping bigger ones like blueberries and dragon fruit in open space. Over here, keep an eye on the weather. When it rains or thunderstorms, your crops grow faster and gain special wet or shock mutations. After that, sell these mutated crops for more money. Then, place sprinklers once you have better crops to boost growth and increase mutation chances. Over here, complete daily quest to earn exclusive seed packs. After that, invite your friends to get a 10% cash boost on sales. Then hold the E key near your crops to collect harvest faster. Over here, press the escape key 4 times and you'll be able to collect harvest by just walking near the crops. After that, plant bamboo near tall crops to climb and collect fruits from higher branches. So that's basically how you can AFK in Grow a Garden on Roblox Beginner's Guide. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.